If you are looking for a modern CRM that combines AI, automation, and a flexible workspace, you have probably come across Attio. But is it actually worth using? In this video, I will cover what Attio offers, its biggest strength, its downsides, and who it's best suited for. What is Attio? Attio is a cloud-based CRM designed for startups, sales teams, and growing businesses. Unlike traditional CRMs that rely on rigid data structures, Attio lets you build custom workflows and databases that match the way your team works. It also integrates with tools like Gmail, Outlook, Slack, and hundreds of apps through Zapier and API integrations. Key features. One of Attio's standout features is its AI powered contact intelligence. It automatically enriches contact and company information, reducing the need for manual data entry. Another major advantage is workflow automation. You can automate repetitive tasks like assigning leads, updating records, sending notifications, and triggering actions based on customer activity. Attio also offers customizable pipelines and views, including Kanban boards, tables, and lists, making it easy to manage sales opportunities and customer relationships. Collaboration is another strong point. Team members can share notes, assign tasks, and keep customer information centralized, helping everyone stay aligned. Finally, Attio provides reporting and analytics so you can track pipeline performance, sales progress, and team activity. Pros and cons. The biggest pros are its modern interface, powerful automation, AI driven contact enrichment, and highly customizable CRM structure. On the downside, Attio has a learning curve if you are new to customizable CRMs. Some advanced automation and AI features are only available on higher tier plans, and larger enterprises may still prefer more mature platforms with broader enterprise functionality. Final verdict. Overall, Attio is one of the most innovative CRM platforms available today. It's an excellent choice for startups, agencies, and fast growing sales teams that want a flexible CRM with built in AI and automation. If you need a modern CRM that's easy to customize and helps reduce manual work, Attio is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching and goodbye.